how to change the air filter in your Ford Fusion with the 1.5 liter engine. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. You can see the air box right on the driver's side of the engine bay. This is great. You don't need any tools. Just take your finger, push back on the tab over here, push back on the tab on this side, and now we can see the lid for the air box is loose. Now we need to pull the air box towards the driver's side fender because it's locked in right here on the back side. So just pull it, comes up, and now we can slide out the air filter. Now I like to take a vacuum and just clean out the inside of the air box. With the air box cleaned out, we can get our new filter. Take the new filter and just slide it into place. Make sure it's seated fully into the air box. Now the last step is these parts on the back actually go into these grooves. So take it and kind of just push it back into the opening. Just make sure you have everything seated. Once the top sits on flush, simply take the clamp and push it back on. And this job is done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.